5 simple jobs you can do on a daily basis to actually make $100 every single day. Now, I'm not gonna tell you, hey, go out there and donate your blood. Go out there, donate your stem cells. Go out there and make like 100 servers every single day online for $1. Now you got $100. I'm not gonna tell you any of that. But if you do wanna donate your kidney for $20,000, maybe $40,000, that's completely up to you. I'm not pushing it on you, but if you do it, just send me a little commission over because I did give you the idea. Okay? Now, guys, but in this video, in all seriousness, what we will talk about is 5 different types of jobs, and they're very different. So I'm almost guaranteeing that one of these jobs you will like and you will want to do, and it will kind of fit you in your category. Okay? I'm almost guaranteeing like 100%. If I do let you down by the end of this video, comment down below and tell me, Tommy, I didn't like any of them, okay? You let me down. All right, so just comment them down below later on in the video. Now, make sure you actually stick around to the end of the video, because by the end of the video, you're gonna have jobs between like $20 an hour, all the way up to even $100 an hour, all the way up to even $1,000 in 1 week or $1,000 in 1 day. It all depends on your skill level and what you're willing to do. So stick around to the end of the video so you can actually get those jobs and actually find out exactly how to do it. Now, guys, if you don't know me, my name is TommyBryson. I'm an accountant, and I'm one of the only YouTubers on YouTube that currently uploads videos every single day. Finance, making more money, whatever you can think of that makes you more money in your pocket or in your head, I'm making a video on it. So make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time I upload a new video. On top of that, if you're watching and you're here right now, hit the thumbs up button. It helps the channel out a ton. So I appreciate when you guys do that. And I have one question to ask you before the video starts. Do you want a side job, or do you want a job that will eventually take over your full-time job? Comment down below and let me know what your goal is with this video. So now that you commented, I do want to jump in straight into the video, but I want to clarify one thing. Tommy, why would anyone just want to make $100 a day? Now, I will tell you this. I don't think anyone out there will complain about getting an extra $100 in their pocket, because that is around $3,000 a month, $36,000 a year. $100 is a lot of money, okay? And I have some statistics to actually prove this, just so you guys understand. If you didn't know this, the average American between 20 to 24 and even 25 to 32 only makes around between $540 all the way up to around $794. So in reality, the average American only makes around $77 a day, and on the upper side of 25 to 34, they're only making between like $113 a day. So in theory, getting this $100 should double your income in some way. And guess what? What would you do if you doubled your income today? What would you do with that money? Would you go on vacation? Would you take that job you want to take? Would you quit your current job? Let me know in the comments down below. What would you do with an extra $100 today? And a fun tip, if you're interested, my goal is to make around $114 an hour every hour of the day, full year around. Let me know in the comments down below if you understand how much money that is by the end of the year. 365 days. Comment down below the answer if you do know. If you don't, you don't. But I won't tell you the answer. So now that you commented, let's jump in straight into the video and let's talk about number 1. What's the number 1 way to actually start making $100 every single day at home or wherever you are in the world? Now, number 1 is reselling. You might say, Tommy, this is not online and this is not from home, okay? And in reality, it kind of is, because I've been able to get people to come to my house to sell me items and just put it on eBay, sell it there, and then boom, I literally had to move nowhere. So in reality, guys, I remember when I first started doing reselling, I would start with iPhones, and my entire goal was like maybe make $40 per iPhone, all the way up to $200 per iPhone. So for example, if I bought an iPhone X, this is not an iPhone, my iPhone's over there. If I bought an iPhone X for $500, I would sell it for like $750. That's a $250 profit instantly in 1 day. And I was selling around like maybe 3 or 4 a day, so you can do the math, and then that's how I will make a lot of money. So you might be asking me, Tommy, what if I can't sell an item for $40 extra, even $250 extra? Okay, what do I do then? Well, my recommendation is that you mark up the item around 30% more, and then that way you're always making a good profit, and on top of that, you have enough leg room to actually be able to cover all the fees and also all the shipping costs and all that extra stuff. So you're making a good profit, all while fulfilling all your responsibilities. On top of that, this is not just like reselling. You can do drop shipping, you can do retail arbitrage. There's a whole bunch of different ways you can actually do this business. And if you're wondering what are the requirements for this business, all you need is around 2 to 4 hours every single day to do this entire job, make your money, and you have to be a hustler. On top of that, you have to have a student mentality, because you have to be willing to learn things, because every single day things are changing, and when things change, you have to be on point to understand how to price things when things change. Now, the second way to actually make $100 every single day daily is actually by doing online customer service. Now, I know most of you guys have already noticed this. Customer service online and chat rooms and all that stuff is becoming more and more popular because of online services like banks going online, like Amazon and all these places that need customer service, but they're doing it online now and it's not in a physical location. Tommy, how much money can I earn from this? Between $10 all the way up to $30 dependent on your specialty. So for example, here are the requirements. You don't really need any type of requirements. You don't need to have a bachelor's or an associate's or anything like that, but you do need to be able to get trained so you can actually learn from people that know what they're doing. Now, here's my thing. If you do have a background in anything that you're going to get into, for example, if you want to get a customer service in banking, but you have a background in banking also, that will bump up your salary because I know Wells Fargo, for example, pays around $16 to $20 an hour. And that way, you work 5 hours a day, you make $100. Boom, boom, boom. And it's from home, very simple to do. And you can still do your full-time job and still do this job. So it's pretty cool. And also, here's a recommendation. If you can get into computer stuff, and helping people technical work like over the phone, that pays a lot more money because that's more technical and it takes a little bit more skill. So anything that takes a little bit more skill and you can do it over the phone, that's gonna pay you a little bit more money. So there's that. Now, the third way to actually make $100 from home is by being an online English tutor. Now, here's the thing, there's a catch to this one. You need to have a bachelor's degree. You might say, Tommy, people out there don't have bachelor's degree, but in reality, around 66 million Americans have bachelor's degree and don't really use them. So if you have a bachelor's degree, which I do, I have an accounting degree, I barely use it only when I'm doing my taxes and like working on my business. Well, if you have a bachelor's degree, and it doesn't have to be anything English related or anything like that, well, if you have one of those and you don't know what to do with your life, you can just go ahead, work 5 hours a day, and you get $100 every single day, daily, by helping someone in China learn English. And it's very simple to do, and you have a very good learning experience also. So I recommend this one a lot. But if you don't have a bachelor's degree, don't worry, you can still go online and search some other jobs that will accept you without a bachelor's degree. And by the way, I have all the links to these jobs in the description down below. You can click around and you can go straight to the website that offer these hourly rates. $20 is a good amount of money, okay? A lot of people out there that have a bachelor's degree get like $14, $13 an hour. And it's kind of embarrassing because they still owe around $37,000. So if you owe any money and you have a bachelor's degree, this might be a good option for you. Now, number 4 is one of my favorites. It's actually outsourcing your skills onto websites and other platforms and actually making money like that. Now, this one has the greatest ability to actually make a ton of money dependent on your skill level and dependent on what you're gonna offer. So for example, if you have a background in animation and you go into Fiverr and Upwork and market your skills, well, guess what happens? You can make between $1,000 per gig all the way up to $6,000. And I've seen a lot of these things online, guys. People make a lot of money from doing animation. But if you don't know how to do animation, there's a whole bunch of different jobs out there you can make a lot more money from. And by the way, for asking me, Tommy, how much money can I make? You can make anywhere between $5 all the way up to $1,000, $6,000, $10,000 dependent on what you're offering. You don't need to be an animator, an editor, or anything like that. You can literally just be an actor, someone that plays a character in a video. You can do anything you want to do. Just search up on Fiverr and you'll see all the different types of jobs that there are out there. Even a writer, by the way. There's a whole bunch of different things you can do, and you can actually make a ton of money just by doing some gigs here and there. And I'm predicting that on average, if you know how to market yourself, you can make between $100 all the way up to $500 every single day. So pretty good one. Number 5. Now, this one takes a little bit of finesse and hustle, and it's called Craigslist. Now, if you have a car or a truck, you can literally go on Craigslist and go to the free section and get anything for free. You just have to drive to the person's place. By the way, I've seen people sell like sofas for free, beds for free, gravel, bricks for free, and it's all stuff you can basically resell online or wherever you want to resell it for, okay? On top of that, there's a lot of gigs on Craigslist, like from video editing, writing, and a whole bunch of different things you can actually do there. And by the way, these are one-time gigs, so you do it once and then you don't have to really commit to anything. So I like those type of things because I don't want to commit to a full-time job because I am doing what I love to do. And if you want to do the same thing, you can go on Craigslist and get started working. By the way, when it comes to earning, it all depends on the gigs you pick. I've seen gigs go from $100 all the way up to $1,000 depending on what they want you to do. Now, I do want to give you guys one tip. It is Craigslist. I don't really trust it that much when it comes to like meeting people online. So I suggest you do either two things. You pick gigs that don't require you to go anywhere and just do it online, or you pick a gig that requires you to go somewhere, but you go with a friend or you go in a public area, you meet the person, and then you see what they're all about. But just be careful when you're meeting people from the internet, because you never really know who those people are. So comment down below and let me know which one was your favorite. Now for me, guys, my favorite is probably monetizing a skill that you do have, because doing that, by the way, if you're a therapist, you can literally do your therapist stuff online, which is very cool. But I would want to do something like that. For example, if I want to edit people's videos, I can go on Upwork, put my job list in there and be like, hey, I edit videos. Pay me $20 an hour, 30, 40, 50, depending on how good I am. And then boom, now I'm getting gigs. I'm working a full-time job. And I've seen people on Upwork that have made over $50,000. You can see like their earnings, like on their entire profile. $50,000 from one single gig. So it's profitable. You can do it. Let me know which one is your favorites in the comments down below. So if you made it this far, guys, comment down below and let me know, because I want to see how many people made it to the end of the video. On top of that, I do want to clarify one thing. If you try any of these jobs and you don't make $100 on your first day, you make like maybe 40 or 20, don't get mad, don't get upset, don't disqualify it. You have to start somewhere, and then from there on, you can start building and building and building your business, and then make a lot more money over time. That's just how things work. So let me know in the comments down below, which one of these jobs would you try and why? And if you're wondering, Tommy, why do you ask so many questions in your videos? It's because every time you guys respond to the video and actually comment down below, is a better chance of you actually remembering and actually doing what you're supposed to do. But if you're just listening, there's a 90% chance you really won't do anything, okay? And as always, guys, thank you for watching. If you like the video, leave a big thumbs up. It helps the channel out a ton. You won't believe it how much it actually helps the channel. On top of that, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. And if you want to talk to me one-on-one or uno a uno, however you want to say it, just DM me on Instagram at TommyBryson. If you want to support the channel, buy one of these t-shirts. Link in description down below. I'll see you guys next time on this video. Thanks for watching, and peace.
You've got to start